Hi everyone, Mrs. West here with this week's lesson. This week we're going to discuss the fun topic of optical illusions. Optical illusions are those types of pictures or photographs that kind of trick your eye into seeing things that might not be there. They're fun to look at, and it's fun to try to figure out how your eyes and your brain can trick you into seeing something. I've included some videos about optical illusions for you to look at the end of this lesson. There are many examples for you to look at. Now, after you've seen those, we're going to start our project. I'm not going to show you what it looks like in the end. I won't show you that till next week, till we finish the second half of the project. What I want you to do first is to print out this grid. It's a document that I have attached to the end of this lesson. And the grid is just a lot of lines, parallel lines, in a box. And each segment is numbered. I want you to make sure that you make the number 24 here, because when I copied it, it didn't have the 24 on it. So just be sure this one says 24. So what I want you to do is cut this out. Cut out this rectangle, which I have already done here. Okay, there it is. Then I want you to turn it upside down. Well, turn it over. And I want you to take a ruler. Now the ruler part is important because the lines need to be straight if you want the optical illusion to work. Okay? Now, I think that an easy way to start making these lines is just to take your ruler and lay it down from corner to corner and draw a line. I'm starting with black so that everybody can see it real easily. Okay, this marker's a little old. Let me get another one. This one's better, nice and juicy. Okay, so here we go. I have a nice big line in the middle there. Now I'm going to show you a trick that I've learned with rulers in order to make my lines even and parallel. When I do one line with this ruler, I'm going to make another line on the other side. And that way I know that those lines are parallel and they're straight. So I am just going to continue making a few black lines here. And you don't have to do it this way, it's just a suggestion. I'm going to make them all the way to the edge. Okay, line it up over here. They're nice and tidy. I'm one of those types of people that kind of likes things tidy, so that's me. They don't have to be drawn like this, but they do need to be drawn as straight diagonal lines. Okay, so when you have that done, you can color in your lines any way you like. I just picked some different colors. There's kind of a little bit of a rainbow thing going on here. I left some of them white. That's fine. The colors might bleed through your paper. That is not a problem. So this is all I want you to do this week. And you might look at this and say, it doesn't look like anything but some stripes. And that's how it's supposed to look today. When we finish this project next week, it's going to look like the stripes are curving. And I'll show you how to do that then. I kind of want it to be a surprise for now. Okay, so you need printer paper. If you have heavy printer paper, that works a little better. This is regular printing paper. It's a little thin. That's why it bleeds. But if I had my special paper, I would put it on the heavier paper. So you want to get those parallel diagonal stripes going. Okay, that doesn't seem like too much to do, but you're halfway through the project when you get to this point. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need, again, a printout of the grid that I've attached. Make sure you add the 24. You're going to cut it out with scissors, of course. You're going to use a ruler to make your straight diagonal lines. And then you're going to fill it in with color. You can use markers or pencil. Please don't paint. This is not a painting project. Okay, your paper will be warped all over the place, and it won't really look like a good optical illusion when you're finished. If you want to do your stripes just in black and white, you can do that. You can make thin ones and thick ones. I don't mind if it's just black and white or colored. Makes no difference to me. You will still get the optical illusion in the end. Okay, so that's it for today. I'm looking forward to seeing your work up on Google Classroom. And ta-ta for now.